Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to link web pages, and that is the course number 4 of HTML Intermediate. Now, I have downloaded a software called Visual Studio Code. I will link it in the description. Now, first of all, click on New File, and then you will have such a screen. Now, from here, drag this, and no folders opened yet. Now click on open folder. So now I have opened a folder. Choose any folder. Now click here, new file, and name it as web.html. Now click on enter, and your file is created. So now here we will start our coding. So let's start with linking web pages, and I'll just a second. So today we are going to link web pages, and a new application has new shortcuts, right? So to begin with the basic way of writing HTML, here in Visual Studio Code, click on Shift and 1 and then enter. Now here it creates a basic HTML document. Don't look at this lang in metacharset UTF-8 because that is not important for us right now. We'll just do one thing. We'll put the title as Baker's Bake. Baker's Bake. Oh no. Yeah. So now linking web pages is just as same as the anchor tag we discussed in the HTML coding, which is the basics. Now here we discussed it in the course number 3. You can check here somewhere on the I button. You will have that option. Watch that video afterward. Right now, first of all, click on A and then enter. Now your href attribute and the anchor tag has been created. So now here, let me just make this a bit bigger. So yeah, now now it is okay. Now here, beside the anchor tag and the href attribute, we will type in the URL of our other file. So just a second. Now open this site and click on new file. After clicking on new file, create a new file. I'll name it as home.html. Home.html. Now it is created here. So let's just close this welcome. And now here, let's put the href attribute as home dot. So it has given us a suggestion called home.html. Click on enter, and that's done. Now you need to put something here, right, so that the users know where they are going. So we'll name it as home, and let's save it. Now in the folder that you have saved, I have saved it in a folder called this, and now I'll go to that folder in File Explorer, and then open that folder. So just a second. Open that file that I had saved. But remember, you have to open web.html. So now let's put some code in home.html. We'll put hello world, it will still be there. Or we can just put it in the way we do it normally. Now, if you just want to type in some text, you can just write HELLO world inside the body. It will still appear. Save it the same way. Control S to save. And yeah, so I have opened that folder here. Now remember, I have to click on home, and it takes some time. We'll close this, and we did not have to click on home, we had to click on web. So sorry guys, but I told a new thing today. I told that you can, if you type in, if you type if you just type the text inside the body tag without even typing h1 element, it can still be there. We have written it in home.html, just the text. It is actually still there, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. I'll just open that file that was there. And yeah, so I am here in the folder. Now I have to click on web. Now this is a link. Yay! It's working. So we have actually done today's video. Now you can add a link says with the text in home.html that says previous. I'll just do that. Okay. And enter. Now it should be web.html. Yeah. And inside here we want the text as previous because it will take us to the previous page. And let's save this, and let's just open that file. Now yeah, so the text has gone, and you might be thinking, how does the text directly appear when I just saved it? I did not have to reload it, so how did it appear? So for that, go here in extensions and search live server, LIVESERVER. And yeah, so come here. No, it's live server. So come here. I've already installed it, so it should look something like this. Okay, now it is like that. Okay, so let's just close this, and now let's type in hello world. Hello world, and I just have to do Control S to save. I do not have to waste time just doing all those backward or reload and all those things. Now let's put a BR tag, which is the line break tag, and let's save it again. And it takes some time while linking different web pages. Just a second. Yeah, so it takes some time while linking web pages because linking web pages is a bit difficult for the browser. So one more thing, if you are linking web pages, then you'll have to click on the reload button, but the other way you do not have to click on the reload button again and again. So one more thing, let's just close this. Yeah, here. And one more thing, if you want to add any images that from your desktop, then drag that image and drop it in here. I'll just show you how it is done. It will take a little bit of time, and now as you can see, here is the image. What I do, I drag it and I click on that and drag it Okay, so I have to drag it over here. If you drag it over here, then you will only be able to see the image. I'll just show you how it is done. And yeah, so the picture.jpeg is there. Now now I'll show you how it is done. We'll go here, img, and picture.jpeg, picture.jpeg. Now let's save it and let's go to the, yeah, it is really big. That's what we do not want, right? So you can do that. And thanks for watching. Share this video with all your friends and like this video. Take care.